Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. So in today's video, we're going to learn about how to resolve gray screen in release mode in Flutter. I know you have ever built your app, test everything perfectly in debug mode, then you release your app for testing or you post to stores, then you find something like this gray screen on your app. I'm going to show you why does this thing happen. So we're going to learn in this video how to identify the cause of this gray screen, how to implement solution, and how to display a custom error message if this gray screen happen in release mode. Sometimes some error can show in debug mode in which you can handle, but there are some error that may not show in debug mode that can cause this gray screen. So what are the error that always occur, that always cause this gray screen in production or in release mode? So one of the common error is widget build error. This error occurred during the widget building process. Another one is async exception error. Maybe you call an async process or functions, so that can result to error. And another one is asset misconfiguration. So we are going to dive in on how we can resolve this error. So instead of showing a gray screen like this, we can display a custom error message that will tell user what is exactly happened in the app. So without any further ado, let's dive in into how to implement a solution for this type of problem. Right now, I've created my own sample project and I've ensured to make sure this video is very short and meaningful. So I'm going to intentionally create error for this project. So let's call out our variable. So right here and use text widget and pass it into our variable title and make it not null. So let's save and auto reload this app. So now while we are auto reloading it, it shows an exception that says no check operator used on enough value. I know we already expect that this type of error will occur. So this is a type of error, common error, which is widget build error. So let's just click on continue and able to show the error. So we can able to see this error in our app. So this is how it will show in debug mode, and this is how it will show in production. Just a gray screen, blank, no error message. So how can we resolve this and override this gray screen in our release mode? So we can just come into our main function. So I've already put these lines of code right here in which I'll be explaining. So we call this class ErrorWidget class that pass into that take builder that can replace this default Flutter red screen. Right down here, I've created my own custom stateless widget and I've passed in Flutter error details as the constructor into the constructor. So, and right here I use text widget to shows the actual exception. So let's go back to our main function and restart the entire app. Alright, so what we have right here is a custom error widget that shows a proper error message instead of just the gray screen that we shows in production or the red screen that we shows in debug mode. So with this, user can able to really understand what is happening. So instead of the gray screen. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to hit a like button, subscribe to my channel for more Flutter dev tips, and drop comments if you want advanced tutorial on this. So there are still many ways on how you can handle this and able to log those errors. So if you find this helpful, please like, subscribe so that you can able to get notification for more. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.